E-Type 3.8 Roadster. This is the early style boot cover, significantly different from the latest style. This was only used for the first couple of years. I forget exactly the cutoff. We do have it recorded, but the early cars came with 5 straps at the front, and the pattern is quite different on the way the boot cover is constructed. It was common from the factory to have contrast in piping on the early cars, and I have also seen contrast in binding. So black mohair with the piping and binding as an option, usually picking up the interior color. So red interior, red piping, red binding. And this customer chose to go with just black on black. We can do it any way you wish. This is not a great fit-in boot cover. This is why the factory changed the pattern and reduced the amount of straps and completely redesigned it. So this is a faithful reproduction of exactly what was supplied by the factory, but again, don't expect fantastic results. This is in fact why Jaguar changed this piece. But you can see that we've done our job. We've replicated it exactly with perfect top stitching and the leather bound straps, leather covered steel hooks with the correct copper rivets, and we supply the fixing hardware along with this early style boot cover.